us examine the causes for deforestation. Why deforestation is on the increase? One of the main reasons for deforestation is for obtaining forest products. Many useful products are obtained from forests, like food crops, fuel, firewood, for example, fuel, fodder, animal food, timber, and medicinal plants. These are some of the reasons why trees are felled in the forests. Then, another possible cause is increasing urbanization. Nearly 50% of the human population now lives in cities and towns. Therefore, cities and towns are expanding by cutting into the forest area. Then, industrialization, setting up of new industries. Generally, when industrial areas are marked, they are marked away from the human habitation and most often encroaching the forest area. So, setting up of industries. Then, another reason could be expansion of agriculture. To meet the growing demand for food. So, you can see various human activities have been directly or indirectly the cause for deforestation. Apart from this, naturally occurring or human induced forest fires. Naturally occurring or human induced forest fires every year in the peak summer months we are losing large number of trees due to forest fires. Most often it may be due to natural causes, many a times it can be due to humans themselves setting fire to the forests. So these are the main causes for deforestation. Conservation of forests is now the need of the hour. So we will have to grow more trees. Following a practice called reforestation. Government of India has a program called Vana Mahotsava. Such programs, if implemented seriously, can help us from overcoming this problem. Apart from this, the government is also implementing a scheme called social forestry. To see that people grow trees in their own land or in government lands, so that encroachment into the forests can be minimized. With reference to conservation of forests, there is significant public awareness, particularly if we take the situation in our country. One such example is in Jodhpur. Some time back, when the king who was ruling Jodhpur wanted to destroy the trees for obtaining some utility products, the local inhabitants belonging to a community called Bishnoi community. One must appreciate them. Bishnoi community actually take care of the forests and forest animals like their own. So one lady belonging to Bishnoi community by name Amrita Devi opposed the felling of the trees and said, if you want to cut the trees, before that you will have to cut our body. So she sacrificed, Amrita Devi and her daughters and many of her friends sacrificed their body to protect the trees. Bishnoi community is known for such sacrifices. Government of India every year gives an award for those involved in conservation of forests in the name of Amrita Devi. Similarly, in our country, some time back there was a movement called the Chipko Moment. It was initiated by a person by name Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna. He and his co-workers would hug the tree and prevent felling of the trees. That is the literal meaning of Chipko, hug the tree. Inspired by Chipko Moment, in North Karnataka, some people started a movement to prevent deforestation. This movement came to be known as Appiko Cheduvali. Appiko Cheduvali. Appiko in Kannada means hug. So Appiko Cheduvali, hugging the trees and preventing people from felling the trees. So such movements have been on and off taking place in our country, bringing public awareness about the adverse effects of deforestation activities.